is up, guys? Joe on Twos. We're back. Gotta go on another ride, and I thought I'd get a quick video in on adjusting chain slack. So I was getting ready for my ride. My chain looks a little loose. Mine should be about Mine should be about 1.75 to 1.8 inches. It's at 2.25, a little over. Check your manual for the exact amount. Anyway, we're gonna get the bike propped up and do a quick little chain tightening before my ride. I'm about to go do another video for y'all. First things first, you gotta loosen the axle bolt, which is gonna be tight. It's a good thing. You don't gotta take it off, you just want to loosen it because you want to be able to adjust where the wheel sits in the axle. This is when you're supposed to have a tape measure, and you don't. That one's on me. So like I said, read your manual, learn how much slack your bike requires. Mine should be, and it's from a specific location too. So mine's from the lower fairing. You go from the middle of the chain down. See how I'm at 2.5? I should be at 1.8-ish. So now we're going to have to loosen this bolt and then take this out to push the rear wheel back as to tighten the chain. You want to try to keep it all even. So I did 6 turns there. We want to make sure that equal distances on both sides. So now, what I see a lot of people do is you don't want to take cloth, throw it in here. This way the wheel is locked into where it is. Now I like to tighten a little before I drop it down, just because, you know, you're putting all that weight on that rear wheel. You don't know what's going to move it. That's not coming off. Take this out, and there you have it, my friends. Your bike's ready to roll. Like I said, this was kind of a quick one. I just wanted to get another video so that I could upload it for you guys soon. I'm going out to do another one right now on the road. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave your comments, make sure you like, subscribe, and let other people know about the channel. Trying to make this big. And I'll do a future video soon about the goals I have for the channell. Anyway, I'll catch you guys next time. Dylan Twos. Peace out.